Well, guys, today is August 12th, and we are trading live the ES09 2022 contracts. A little market update. What happened? There was a strong push, break, and a new high was made, but still looks like we're in this trading range because our 10K chart is still an uptrend. So it looks like I will be taking a trade because we pushed back above the EMA and a strong test of it. So what do you
Order
call
submitted.
a signal ball, I will be able to take along. So depending how green is this signal ball, that would indicate that we might be pushing up. Right now it's just holding the EMA, is holding the prices, it's testing it whether it's going to break it or not. It's kind of choppy date as well. There's a little one move up, but there's also just a little move down, which is very difficult to tell which way this is going to break. Yeah, I'll let you guys know once I get a trade. So it's been quite a bit that we're inside this trading range. Having a hard time finding a trade here, but I guess what I'm looking at here right now is a break of this EMA from the top side, looking to go back down. A test of this EMA, any test of it, I will take a short to go down. But right now, I don't think so we're even getting a test. We're just directly just working down. So we'll need like one pullback or something, pullback back to this level of EMA or even right here, and then we'll go short. Hopefully catch a big move or something like that. But as of right now is just these is working up and down without a proper giving. Looks like it's gonna come in play. We'll let you guys know. So here's what happened. We have a push and then a strong bar down again, indicating that this might continue to go lower.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
So I'm willing to risk 2 points for it if we get filled over here. Yeah, I guess what I'm looking for is a break of the EMA, retest of it, bearish bar indicating that we're gonna go low. Now it's a matter of time of getting filled. I don't want to risk more than 2 points. Therefore, that's what I'm putting my
order filled.
My what do you call? So here you go. We got filled. Now it's just a matter of time if we're right or not. Right now, it doesn't seem like we're that right, but we'll see. Because we already had the tops. If you look at the tops, we already had so many touch of the top that this should indicate for us that we're gonna get a push down. We're not working up there, so we might have to work down. Now the EMA is kind of holding to the upside. Should have waited for a better trade, not a retracement trade. Yeah, it was kind of congested in the middle. Push back up, push back down, pushing back up. I guess this trade is more of like anticipating in hindsight rather than a solid trade. Well, if it's not, you can never ever get a perfect entry just because. I guess my view of this was we have so many touches on top here. We have a 1, 2, 3. Well, if you count this, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 touches tried to break up and we failed. So that is indicating for me that this might return down and I want to catch a move, a piece of it. And what really indicated for me it was that we pushed below the EMA, strong back up, and then failed. So the EMA holded the price and failed back down. But right now, the prices seems to be congested. So it'd be a good time to get out of a trade because it's not working. It almost didn't even take us out by a point. or a tick. Yeah, it's. I guess I'll let you guys know what happens. I don't want to keep the video too long.
Filled.
Yeah, I just got my stop filled just right here by a tick. Yeah, today's a tough day to trade. It's difficult. Ricky only managed my risk for 2 points, so I only lost around like $210, not more. But yeah, it's a difficult day. I thought we're gonna push down. We push down here, here, here. I don't know what to tell you guys. It was a good trade. I could have waited for another bearish signal bar and below EMA, but yeah, I'll let you guys know when I get a next trade. I'm looking for a short trade over here.
Order submitted.
What I see was another test where we got out earlier. Now we push down again. We're testing the EMA again. So with a bearish bar, the EMA is holding. I'm looking to go short with a bearish bar here. I guess today is a very tricky day, so it's going to be difficult. It's going to be super difficult to catch something. I am going to go short on this bar just because we break it. Oh my lord, I don't want to risk. I do not want to risk more than 2 points here. 70. Okay, I think that's enough.
Order filled.
I think that should be. Didn't break below the signal bar. I anticipated again, but I just would only like to go for 2 points stop loss. If I go more than that, this is not working out. So much I want to see. Thought it's gonna have one more push down for us. I should have just waited for my actual break. So I got in again, breaking the rules. I got in without the full break of my signal bar. Oh, there you go. I think we're gonna get stopped out again here. Yeah, I don't know. I wanted the bearish bar and break below it, and then I would go short. But then I got a bearish bar. I didn't wait for a break below it. See, this is where I was supposed to enter. Right now, I was supposed to enter because I have a bearish bar, break below it, indicating that we're gonna go short. We'll see what happens. We are looking for 2.1 on this, and then probably another 2 points on the other contract if we can go all the way here. There's a lot of resistance right here. If we break it, we're gonna be good. Touched my order, didn't take me out. See that? Touched my order clearly, but it didn't take me out. But yeah, today is very tough. Just been like this the whole 2 hours. Right now it's almost 8:50, 10:50 Eastern time, but the market hasn't done anything. I'm hoping that this is gonna come back at least somewhere around here, and we can catch a runner, because we had a loss or loser over there.
Target filled.
Perfect. Now that I got my target filled, I'm going to tighten up my. Oh man, I don't want to get stopped. Man, I'm looking for at least one more point. I can beat the loser. I could have just got out with both of my contracts. Doesn't seem to be a good trading range type of day. Yeah, it's coming back for the runners. I thought it's gonna break and at least make a new low. At least we were hoping for it to make. But every time I move this, so there's a wait time for your orders to be filled, and my order is it gets pushed back further in line. So every time I move this, I get pushed back in line and don't get to fill up. Oh no, don't take us out. Don't take us out right there. The market is slow. The reason I'm kind of hesitating because I don't know, it's hard to find another trade. Like I thought this setup was going to happen here, a break and then a test of it. But see the difference between that setup and this setup is this setup it tested it and then rejected it like fast. They rejected it automatically. But this setup it failed and the reject break above it. So that's why it was difficult to take any trades. But right now it's kind of working in our favor. I don't know. I feel like this is gonna bounce here, so I'm not sure. Should have gone for 3 points. 1, 2, 3 points. Yeah. But yeah, I'll let you guys see what happens, and I don't want to keep the video too long. Am I gonna get stopped out here or not? Yeah, I'll let you guys know what happens. Looks like we're about to get stopped out from this runner. We made, I guess, roughly around $100.
Stop filled.
Yeah, it stopped us out. We left like around $200 on the table with that runner. I should have known this is not a runner type of day. It's just so much congestion going on back and forth, back and forth. Yeah, I shouldn't have. Yeah, I'll let you guys know if I find another setup. But what I'm looking for is another push down of this to go low. I'm gonna call it a day here. The market is barely moving. It's a Friday. Yeah, there's not a lot of trades. We had 2 trades, one loser, one winner. We're down like $100, $120. Yeah, it's not a lot of trades. I think I'm gonna call it a day.